Let's see how to insert straight lines using shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to insert your straight lines, you can do that by heading over to the Insert tab and by manually inserting shapes and lines right here. However, to make it easier for yourself, you can do it using Microsoft Word's key shortcuts. So to insert a single straight horizontal line, simply type in 3 dashes. Now click enter, and that should create a straight line across your document. If you want a double line, type in 3 equal signs. Now click enter, and that should create a double line for your document. Another one you can do is by typing in 3 asterisks and click enter, and that should create a dotted line. And lastly, you can type in 3 tildes and click enter, and that will create a wavy line for your document. And that is how you can create different kinds of straight lines using shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.